Hi people, hello, I welcome you all to the beautiful silk zone. This is Divya here. Today I will be showing you the very beautiful Tussar silk collections, and the cost of those collections actual price is 3700 in prepaid. On COD we are giving you the offer that is 5% off on COD, that is without any shipment charges. But with the COD we have 4000, but we have an off on this Tussar beautiful silk sarees up to 1 month, that is 5% off, that is we will not cost you the shipping charges. And now I will show you the beautiful pretty saree. We will give you the code to apply the 5% discount, that is what I am telling is to apply the 5% discount on our this beautiful Tussar collections. We have one coupon given in the description box, please go through that. Once you get that coupon, with that coupon you will get the 5% discount on the sarees. And now I will show you the beautiful pretty saree which I am going have worn today, is that is in the color of pista green color saree. Entire saree is in a pista green, and we have the golden zari border in both the side of the sarees. I will show you the golden zari border. You people can have a deep look at the borders. And on entire saree we have the white color block print on the sarees. This is the saree, and I am showing you, I have made fleets for you to show that how beautifully the fleets are seen, and the prints on the sarees are in white color block prints. And the pallu also, it is very beautiful and simple. In pallu also you have the golden zari borders, okay. And now about the blouse, we have the running blouse for this saree with the golden zari border. And also this saree, which is very pure Tussar silk sarees, we have not compromised any other mixture in the product. Very beautiful, skin friendly, summer wear we can tell. Very good, and this Tussar silk is very beautiful and gorgeous to wear. This is the other beautiful different colored saree, and with a different block saree in a Tussar silk product. The color of this saree is dark pink color with the golden zari border on both the corners of the sarees. And the pallu also we have a beautiful golden zari, you can have a look at it. And on the entire saree we have the hand block prints, that is in white color. I have made the fleets for you to show how beautiful it looks once you drape the saree. And now I will tell you about the blouse, and the blouse is in the running color, that is of dark pink color, that is plain dark pink with a golden color border on the saree blouse also. And this is very beautiful Tussar silk saree, that is pure Tussar silk saree, and the cost of this saree in prepaid is that is 3700. If you are going to buy in COD, that is on cash on delivery, it is actually 4000. But for an 1 month off we have 5% off. To buy and 5% off on COD, we have the coupon which is in the description box. Go to description box and take that coupon, and you can apply your 5% off on cash on delivery. This is the one other different color in the same Tussar silk product, but what is the difference in it is the different color saree and with the different prints on the saree. The color of the saree is, like I can tell you, you people know onion, right? Like onion peel, light onion peel color, or you can call it as a light, very light violet color, I can tell you. The saree is very pure Tussar silk, and the prints on the saree is in a design of leaves, that is white block prints on the entire saree. Once you drape the saree very properly, you will get the proper good design on it. And this is the pallu I am showing in. And the pallu you have the golden zari borders, as well on the both the corners of the sarees also you have the golden borders on the saree. And we have the running blouse of the saree, that is plain running color, same color blouse, and on the blouse also you have the golden zari borders on it. And the cost of this beautiful saree is just 3700 in prepaid. And on COD we have 5% discount going on, that is we have one coupon given in the description box. Go to description box and take that coupon, or if you want to take it on a COD, you have 5% off, that is actual price of the COD is 4000, but if you go scratch the coupon you will get 5% off on it. This is the another beautiful colored saree in Tussar silk, that is the sky blue, like little dark color blue we can tell you. That is very good color saree, very gorgeous color saree. And this is pure Tassar silk sarees with the golden zari borders on both the corners of the sarees. In both the borders you have golden zaris, and this is the pallu. In pallu also you have the golden zaris, and we have white color block prints on the pallu also. You have golden zaris on both the corners of the sarees, and we have the frinkages pure left in the pallu, so that we can tell you it is the pure Tassar silk. And on entire saree we have the prints of this white color block prints. These are very beautiful prints which gives you the very attractive look once you drape the saree. And the blouse of the saree also, you have the running color blouse that is in the same blue color with the prints also. On saree also you have the same prints with the border, that is golden zari border on the blouse also. And the cost of this saree in prepaid is 3,700, and on COD, actual COD price is 4,000, but we have offer going on, that is up to 1 month. Go to the description box, we have a ready given coupon there. If you take the coupon and apply it, you will get the 5% off on COD purchase. Another very beautiful colored saree in Tassar silk, that is the grape wine, like a little light violet, I can tell you. The color is very beautiful, no, it is very elegant and simple to look. And we have a very different beautiful print on the saree, that is the white color prints as you are seeing it. Very beautiful print on the saree we have given. And in this saree also you have the golden zari borders on both the side of the sarees, and on the pallu also you have golden zari borders and the beautiful block prints. These are the pure hand block prints which is in white color. And the blouse also, we have the same running blouse for the saree, and we have the print on the blouse also, and the zari border also, that is golden zari borders. Very beautiful, pretty pure Tassar silk sarees. The cost of this beautiful saree on prepaid is 3,700, and on COD, that is cash on delivery, it is 4,000. Now this is the very beautiful and different color, that is chiku brown color with the zari border, that is golden zari borders on the pallu as well as both the borders of the sarees. And the entire saree is in product of Tassar silk, pure Tassar silk with the white color block prints, that is the leaf prints on the entire saree. In pallu also you have the golden zaris, and on the entire saree you have the white block prints of leaf. Very beautiful and simple elegant look it gives you, and the color is so good and very good finishing of the fabric. And the blouse also, you have the running color blouse, that is the same color blouse of the saree, that is chiku brown with the print as well on the blouse piece. And you have the golden zari borders on the blouse as well. And the cost of this saree in prepaid is 3,700, and on COD, that is cash on delivery, it is 4,000. This is the other beautiful colored combination saree in Tassar silk collections. The saree color combination is in cream and light red color, I can tell you. See, you can just have a look at the saree. We have very beautiful different prints on the saree, that is in the color of red and black, which gives you the very beautiful color combination. And we have the pallu is with a very different unique design on it with the golden zari border, which gives you a very beautiful look once you drape the saree. And on both the corners of the sarees, that is on both the borders of the sarees, we have the golden zari on it. And on entire saree we have the beautiful prints done on it. You can just have the look at the design on the saree, which is in the design of flowers and leaves. And this is very different unique colored saree in pure Tassar silk sarees. Once you drape the saree very beautifully, you will get the design of it. And now, as I have draped the saree in a demo, you are not getting it properly. And the blouse of the saree is in a colored combination of the contrast, that is in red color, which gives the contrast with the border, that is in red. On the blouse also you have the design, that is the print, white print on the blouse as well as the golden zari border. And the cost of this beautiful saree is in prepaid, it is just 3,700, and on COD you get it on 4,000. Hey beautifuls, this is the other pretty beautiful colored saree combination have brought up to you people in the Tussar silk product, which is in the colored combination of the parrot green with the light green, and the border is in the golden zari border, and we have very different print on the entire saree. On the body of the saree you have the prints of multicolored, I mean not multicolored, it's in the color combination of red and green color. It is of flowers and the leaves. And in pallu also you have a beautiful colored combination of golden zari border with the red color and the little dark green color border. And on the pallu also you have very beautiful golden zari borders, and on the entire saree you have the beautifully prints of the leaves, and the golden zari border is there in the both the borders of the saree, and which gives you the very beautiful look. And the blouse of this saree also we have in the same color, that is in the dark green color with the golden zari border, and we have the plain green blouse so that you can give the designs once you stitch the blouse. And the cost of this beautiful saree is 3700, that is 3700 in prepaid, and in COD, that is cash on delivery, it is 4000. Hey beautiful, this is another very beautiful colored saree in the Tussar silk. The color of the saree is dark blue color with the colored combination of the golden zari borders on the both the borders of the saree, and we have the beautiful floral prints on the entire saree, that is in the color of green green color leaves, and the rose print on it, that is pink rose and the red rose with the border of black color. And this is the pallu. In pallu you have the golden zari borders in the combination of red color with the combination of this dark blue color, which gives you the very retro look, I can tell you. And once you drape the saree you can just see how beautifully the pleats are seen on the saree, since we have the beautiful prints on the saree, that is the prints of the flowers, that is the rose print with the green color leaves and white color branch and red color rose on that. It is very beautiful colored saree, since we have the golden zari border on the border of the saree. And the blouse also, we have the running blouse, and if you want the blouse to be customized for the any other contrast color, surely we'll do the customization of the blouse. And the blouse also we have the golden zari border on it, so once you stitch the blouse you will have the beautiful design to wear it. And cost of this beautiful saree, that is Tussar silk saree, is 4000 on prepaid, and on COD, that is cash on delivery, it is just 4200. This is the beautiful colored saree in Tussar silk. The color combination of this saree is the cream color combination with dark violet color or purple color, we can tell. And on the entire saree we have the color combination of this saree is cream and purple with the golden zari borders on the both the borders of the sarees. And on entire saree you have the floral print, that is in purple color flowers and green color leaves, and we have the black color border on the flowers. On the entire saree you have the same prints, which is very beautiful and which gives you the elegant design. And we have the golden zari borders, which gives you the very attractive look. And in pallu also, how beautiful the golden zaris are made with a color combination of light purple. It is so beautiful. The saree is in the product of pure Tussar silk sarees, and the blouse also we have the contrast blouse, that is the contrast with the purple color, the same purple plain color blouse with the golden zari border. And the cost of this Tussar silk saree is 4000 rupees in prepaid, and on cash on delivery, that is COD, you will get it in 4200. This is the pure Tussar silk saree in the color combination of blue and pink with a golden zari border on the both the borders of the saree. And we have the floral, that is multicolor floral prints on the entire saree. You can just have a look at the pallu. It gives a very beautiful look with the golden zari borders. It is very attractive look, and the color combination of the floral prints on the entire saree is in yellow, orange, pink, red mixed, I can tell you. I have draped the saree to show you how good it looks beautifully when you make a pleats. And the blouse of this saree is also in the contrast color for the blue, that is pink color contrast blouse with a golden zari border on it. And the cost of this beautiful saree is 4000 rupees on prepaid and 4200 in COD, that is cash on delivery. The color combination of this beautiful saree is pink and cream color. The entire saree, the body of the saree is in cream color with the multicolor prints on the saree, and the border is in the pink color, and the pallu is also in pink with the golden zari border on it. And we have the golden zari border on both the borders of the saree, and we have very beautiful multicolor prints on the entire saree. And blouse also we have the contrast color, that is contrast with the cream color, that is pink color blouse, and we have the golden zari border for the blouse as well. And the cost of this beautiful pretty saree is just 4,000 rupees on prepaid and 4,200 in COD, that is cash on delivery. This is the very beautiful colored combination of Tassar silk saree in the combination of pink, white, black, and we have the golden zari borders in the both the borders of the saree. As you can have the look at this saree, how beautifully the golden zaris are made, and even in the pallu we have the very beautiful different print on the saree with the golden zari border in the combination of pink, black and white. And on the entire saree we have the borders print done very beautifully, and the blouse of this saree is of the same color, I mean the black and white print with a golden zari border. And the cost of this beautiful saree is 4,000 rupees in prepaid and 4,200 in COD, that is on cash on delivery. This very beautiful simple and rich colored saree is in the chocolate brown color, we can tell you, and with the prints in white color, and the entire saree you have the white color block prints with a golden zari borders on both the corners of the sarees. And we have a very beautiful pallu with a golden zari which will give you the attractive look, and on the pallu also we have the white color prints on it, that is floral or leaves print we can tell, and it is of the same color blouse, that is the running blouse we have in the golden zari border with it also. And the cost of this beautiful pretty saree is 4,000 rupees on prepaid, and on COD, that is cash on delivery, it is just 4,200. The very pretty lovely colored saree, that is the light color pink, we can call it as a baby pink also, with a very beautiful border combination, that is in the golden zari border combination. We have the white color flower prints on the entire saree which gives you the very simple and gorgeous, elegant, rich look. I'm just loving this saree which we have. The more attractive in the saree is this golden zari border, and in the pallu also we have a beautifully zari work done with the white color prints on it. On the entire saree we have the white prints on it, and the blouse also we have in the same color, that is in the baby pink color with the golden zari border. Very beautiful and pretty, and it is a pure Tassar silk saree, and the cost of this very beautiful saree is 3,700 in prepaid, and on COD it is 4,000 actually, but you will get the 5% off once you get the coupon which is given in the description box. Please go through description box, you will know the entire details of it, so that you will get the 5% discount on COD. The beautiful pretty saree in Tassar silk in the combination of cream color with a golden border, that is golden zari border, which gives you the very beautiful gorgeous look once you drape it. And on the entire saree we have the painting done on it, that is the rose painting with the red and green combination, and we have the beautiful pallu which is designed with a golden zari border, and on the saree also we have the golden zari border on both the borders. And the blouse of this is in the contrast color, that is in the red color, which gives you the very beautiful look with the golden zari border. And the cost of this beautiful saree is 4,000 on prepaid, and COD, that is on cash on delivery, it is 4,200. Thank you so much for watching our video so far. If you like our Silk Zone collection, please do like, share and subscribe, and please do inform to your friends, neighbors and family, and press the bell icon below the video, so that you will get all our updates and you can just look into our new collections. Thank you.